Hello, welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today we will talk about the doctor job. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start it. What does a doctor do?
Her help sick people feel better and give them medicine.
Where does a doctor work?
A doctor works in a hospital or clinic.
What clothes does a doctor wear?
A doctor wear a white coat and sometimes a mask and a glove.
What thing do you see in a hospital or clinic?
I see bed, chair, medicine and medical tool in a hospital.
What do you do when you feel sick?
I feel sick. I tell my parents go to see a doctor.
How does a doctor help people?
A doctor check our body, give advice and give us medicine.
Have you ever visited a doctor? What happened?
Yes, I visit a doctor when I had a fever. He gave me medicine and I got better.
What kind of tool does a doctor use?
A doctor use a stethoscope, thermometer and blood pressure machine.
Do you want to be a doctor in the future? Why or why not?
Yes, I want to be a doctor because I want to help people.
What are some good qualities of a doctor?
A good doctor is smart, kind, patient and careful.
Thank you very much for your answer. That is the end of your speaking test. Good job and have a nice day.